Charles Dickens, Oliver Twist and social reform. The lower classes are unremittingly nasty. That brings me to the next point. Can you see how Mr. Brownlow feeds into Dickens's readers' prejudices and preconceptions? Mr. Brownlow is a gentleman. He is also, with one or two minor exceptions, the first person to show Oliver any real kindness. And he is, in a very real sense, the reader. It's no accident that he makes his first appearance outside a bookshop, that he asks Oliver, "How should you like to grow up a clever man and write books, eh?" Or that it is as a result of his sending Oliver to return books to the bookshop that Oliver is recaptured by Sikes and Nancy and taken back to Fagin. Dickens wants his readers to see themselves in Mr. Brownlow. After the schemers, the bullies and the hypocrites who have plagued Oliver's early years, here finally is someone who simply wants to do the decent thing, to be a good person, to help Oliver. In this way, Dickens flatters his readers, charitably assumes that their failure to do anything to relieve the plight of parish children like Oliver is simply because they are unaware of it, and that they will, of course, take steps to do something about it now that they know the truth.